Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Ensure the situation is corrected. Following weeks of public outrage over news that Jamaica imported ganja from Canada, the Prime Minister has indicated that no such thing is to happen in Jamaica. In citing his agreement with the public outrage, Andrew Holness said much more will be done for the development of the ganja industry, which he says has great potential. Giovanni Dennis has a report.
I agree with everyone who is upset about the importation of ganja from Canada.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness during his budget presentation in Gordon House on Thursday. It follows weeks of public outrage at news that the Cannabis Licensing Authority (CLA) approved a company to import 140 kilograms or 308 pounds of ganja for research. Mr. Holness revealed he's instructed Industry Minister Aubin Hill to correct that.
I said to the Minister, ensure that situation is corrected. The Minister may not be at fault, but he is responsible.
He says there's a lesson coming out of this situation for the government and for Jamaica.
One of the things that it has taught us is that, this industry, we need to pay special attention to it. It has great potential, and Madam Speaker, yes, the legal rules and the conventions place restrictions on it, but more needs to be done for the development of the cannabis industry.
Special effort, the Prime Minister stressed, will be made to elevate the Jamaican ganja product so that
we don't need to even consider importing from any other country. Whatever strains and special strains they can be grown right here.
Following the Prime Minister's comments, spokesman on industry Anthony Hilton said the government's importation policy needs to be clarified. Critics, including Mr. Hilton, have argued that the CLA's decision came against the background of local players encountering roadblocks in accessing the Canadian market. At a parliamentary committee on March 1, Hill defended the CLA's decision and said he was not aware of any impediments to local stakeholders. The CLA has said the import authorization was done in keeping with the designated regulations. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.